In the digital era, a website is something more than just a business card. Advanced brokers and hyperlocal agents use their websites to promote their brand, capture leads, and connect with future buyers or sellers. And you can do that too. In this video, I will show you how Placester uses modules to create a tailor-made IDX websites. We can build a stunning-looking website for you, or you can do it by yourself. And that's what makes us a unique solution for brokers and agents in the US. Let me show you how we do it. From the dashboard, go to Edit your website. Choose a homepage to see modules that are currently displayed. Use the left side panel to change their order. You can duplicate, hide, or remove each one of them. By clicking the Edit button, you can enter the settings of a specific module and customize it even further. Before adjusting the content, browse the layouts and pick the one you like best. Then change the animations. Maybe you want to see your title scale or pull on the screen. You can do that and check it with playback. Of course, you can fully customize all titles, descriptions, and most importantly, buttons. With websites prepared by our designers, we've already implemented the necessary modules and customized the website to fit your brand look. And if you don't have one, don't worry, we can help you with branding and finding your custom style. Great! Now let's talk about adding new modules to your stack. Click the plus icon to open a selection screen with the complete list of modules available in Placester. There are a few essentials that every IDX website should include. The first one is featured listings, your bread and butter. After requesting IDX integration, your website will siphon the list of properties with all their details directly from MLS. With this module, you can customize the layout, animations, and number of properties displayed. After clicking one of those properties, your buyer or seller will be transferred to the product detail page. I think by this point I don't need to tell you that you can customize this as well. This gives you a huge leverage because you can customize those pages to fit your target audience with the information provided by the MLS. You want to show amazing pictures of your properties? Check. Show schools in the area? Also check. Sky's the limit here. A great way to acquire more viewers and leads from your website is by featuring a blog. With articles, you can bring viewers directly from Google search results. SEO-ready blog posts are especially great at helping build brand awareness for potential clients in your area. With just a few articles, you can answer common questions for your clients, help educate them about current market trends, financing, or even finding opportunities. Add a simple contact form and see how your list of new leads grow every day. The last module that is essential for brokers is a featured agents module. Your highly performing agents are the cornerstone of your company, and they deserve proper recognition. Instead of browsing your team or office page, you can showcase agents directly from your homepage. Add the featured agents module and customize it in the same way we've done earlier. You can select the number of agents displayed, use various sorting methods, or even group them. For example, showcase agents specializing in luxurious properties, or present agents who are great at selling homes in the residential area. With this module, you can improve your sales and ease your agents in finding new leads. That's all for this video. If you need a tailor-made IDX website, our creatives will be more than happy to help you.